Welcome to our video on customizing your Roblox avatar. Let's explore how you can express yourself and stand out in the game. To start customizing, navigate to the avatar editor by clicking on the avatar icon in your Roblox homepage. It's as easy as that. Now let's create multiple outfits. Click on Create Outfit and mix and match your favorite clothing items. When choosing items, think about styles you love. Pick from shirts, pants, and accessories to match your vibe. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Explore various themes and styles for a unique look that represents you. Head over to the Roblox catalog to discover even more items. Search for clothes, hats, and gear to expand your wardrobe. Switching outfits is a breeze. Use the Outfit button to quickly change looks even during gameplay. Keep your inventory organized. Label and categorize your outfits to find them easily whenever you need. Now that you're decked out, show off your style in games and social hubs. Let others see your unique creations. You're all set to customize your Roblox avatar. Dive in, get creative, and let your personality shine through your outfits. Happy customizing!